something else, which is that one of the main things that I've been working on for a long time now, and it's been a lot of hard work, is our new partners. Uh, the last time I actually did a stream, I was talking about the fact that we had contracts on the table, and we were just tweaking a few different things on the contract so we can make sure that it meets both parties sufficiently. So I'm pleased to say that that is now being finalised. We have contracts signed, and now we are in a process where we are um, putting the project into into one place, and and this has been a mammoth task because the project's got a lot of different moving parts, and each of those moving parts have their own documentation, or even if they didn't have their own documentation, it has had to be created. This is important because because to be able to see all the working parts of the project all in one place uh, is is equal to the ability to how you can progress the project forward in the future, and how you can work with partners on bettering the days ahead and making quick decisions on how you should progress. So I've been working on that. It's been a lot of work, and we had a call with our partners on I can't remember when it was now. Was it Friday?
I think it was Friday. Yeah.
Friday, and they were really impressed with what we did, and they went through
You
absolutely
did.
well.
You
Well,
did, but you did like 99.9% of that work.
okay.
Can you disclose the program that you're using?
Oh yeah, we can do that. We were putting everything into Notion, and this is how a lot of the big partners work. They work in Notion, and so so it's not just literally, oh, you know, this is our doc site. This is how the chain works. It's every little detail on code, on um, instructions, and they don't want to have to go to all different places over the internet to find little things out. It all has to be in one place. So everything's had to be put there, and if it wasn't already available in the world, it's had to be created and put there, and uh, and then mixed with other software. Um, this allows us to work with our partners and make decisions that are very good for the project, very well thought out, and very well directed in order to progress things.